Gotta make this quick. Here's a Goodman heat pump. Okay, let's try to get over here. Not even gonna read the stickers. Okay, oh God, let's get through all these bushes. Let's get to this. I'll just read the sticker on this. So this is a 2-ton from 2011. You know what? I think I actually have enough time reading the stickers. No, it's weird. These are heat pumps, and the systems are all on cool. So this is a 3-ton from 2011. This is a stickers on this side. This is a 4-ton from 2010. It is a 14 seer. This has 3 blades, that is 4 blades, and that one all the way there has 3 blades. And they're all heat pumps, but it's in the winter time and they're on cool, so that's weird. Okay, bye.